Women folk, students and locals along Singjumei to Lilong Strait took out on the street and formed human chain today in protest against the recent Gwaltabi incident. During the protest, which was jointly organized under the aegis of Amuko, Kohar, MSF, Amawawa and Poirei Laimerol Mairapaibi, the protesters denounced the Gwaltabi incident where security forces instructed a Manipur state transport bus carrying a media team en route to cover Shirui Lili festival in Ukhrul district to remove the signage. They also shouted various slogans which include Manipur governor must tender an apology for the Gwaltabi incident, stop union government's divide and rule policy to break up Manipur, and Manipur cannot be obliterated. Speaking to media persons, a protester stated that the Manipur governor cannot shy away from the Gwaltabi incident, adding that the instruction to conceal a Manipur state transport signage from the bus might have been given from government top officials. Another protester said that the Manipur governor, security advisor, chief secretary and DGP must hold accountable for the incident.
Sakit ang tamang tapos kita mo mamapatay ko na ano naman ipantay habang dati ki may magda mahangat ko mayaro ay mga wali ay ko tuyay ano na mahapon man ko kita mo magda lale mga wali hayan ka tabani masamang lale hadi magda ako pa na ba ko nga sa ko ay mga wali ang mga kaban pan Manipur lale Manipur patay ka ban lale